Now, we have had many Toyota Hi-Luxes in here. This one's the Invincible X 2022, 22 registration with only 6,850 miles. And whilst we have had many, I have to say this is probably one of the best ones I've seen because of the lovely extras that were on it. But the colour as well, this is a premium metallic white. A lot of them aren't metallic white. With 6,850 miles under Toyota's manufacturer's warranty in the Invincible X, the new 2.8 diesel engine, which is 204 brake horsepower, a cracking pickup, but it's not just a pickup. You can use it for work purposes, with a family. It's a brilliant car to look at, super reliable, pretty much bulletproof. Now, this is a brand new model, so it's got the new style headlights with the LEDs daytime running lights. A couple of extras. The first one is a bonnet protector just there. The 360 camera system, that's the front camera, the side cameras and the rear camera. And the Invincible X has that beautiful sort of design to it with that off-road arch kit on it, colour-coded bumpers, front rear parking sensors. This also has the anthracite upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear mud flaps and the fixed side steps. You've then got the side window protectors and you've got, again, more door protectors so when you get in and out you won't scratch the side of the car. You've also got comfort access, so you can get in and out of this truck as long as the keys are in your pocket or your bag. But as for the interior, absolutely awesome. Automatic gearbox, a full leather interior. One big thing for me on this car, which a lot of the newer ones don't have anymore, is this has got the most upgraded JBL sound system in it as well, which with the extra speakers and tweakers makes all the difference. Navigation, DB digital radio, Bluetooth. You've then got heated seats, the ambient lighting all over the place, and this beautiful interior inlays followed by that piano black finish as well. It's a 5-seater vehicle. In the back, same again, the leather, ISOFIX attachment, 3-point seat belts, fully fitted mats front and rear. But another important feature on this car is it's a private vehicle, so there's no VAT. So the price that you see that this will go live for on the website, on our social media, is the price that you pay. No VAT to pay on it, no VAT to claim, which is nice because not all our customers are VAT registered. Some are just starting off, some just want it as a private vehicle. If you look at this one round the back, you see the bars. This lovely satin black bars on the back really changes the rear end of this and what it looks like. You've also got the fixed heavy-duty Towbar, the LED rear lighting system, and then you've got yourself a massive boot. But if I quickly show you this, 2 seconds. This shutter alone is quite expensive. You're talking nearly over £1,000. You've got the roller shutter there as well, so that protects all your valuables inside, really. Good space in the back. Bodywork is absolutely superb. Like I said, it's a metallic white. It just does everything you're supposed to do. Now, this one isn't going to hang around for too long. We know it's not, because they never do. You can't buy pickups at the minute. Push button start. Electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors, cruise control, lane assist, hazard warning assist, Bluetooth stereo controls, the digital section in the middle there, but even the dials with the blue touches look really good. Down here you've got the dual zone climate control, the different power systems, 2 high, 4 high and 4 low, just down there. And again, it's so easy to use. That's in media there. It is touchscreen as well, but reverse, your camera system comes on. Centre armrest, which is also leather wrapped, and you have more cubbyhole space in there. Just awesome truck. The colour, the specification, the fact it's got JBL, ambient lighting, the whole styling and design of the Invincible X, but most importantly, it's the new engine with a 204 brake horsepower, with the bars and the rear shutter. You're talking a couple of £1,000 just for the bars and that rear shutter. Makes all the difference. Forget the fact it's got all the added extras as well. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.